Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Hi, we are again here with a new video about compression of a video, how to compress a video and compress large video files into small MBs. So let's start with a video. Open Play Store on your mobile. Search video compressor. Select this app. Click install and downloading will start. Let's read more about this video. It has a 1 million downloads, 4.3 ratings. That is quite good. It has friendly interface, easy to use, well organized, allows audio removal, convert video files to MP3, rotate videos, share videos. So these are some of the features of this app. App is installed. Now open it. It will ask for some permission. Click allow. Select the folder of your own choice where your video is. Select the video. Here it gives some of the options: cut and compress video, rotate video. First we see how to cut and compress video. You can choose time of your own choice. You can make a clip of it. Rotate video. You can rotate the video in 4 directions. Then is to compress video. Here it gives compression ratio with high quality. Here it gives the compression ratio with low quality. Or you can choose custom compression ratio here. As we choose the option, compression start. It's take bit time. So these are some of the features of this app. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel.